In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Freshbooks. Getting your time zone right is essential for accurate invoices, time tracking, and reports, especially if you work with clients or teammates across different regions. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, keeping everything simple and clear. Begin by searching for Freshbooks in your browser. On the results page, open the official Freshbooks site. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button and sign into your account. After you land on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. Click that, then choose Account Profile from the menu to open your account settings. Inside the account profile, switch over to the Preferences section. This is where you control the time-related settings for your account. Find the time zone option and click it. You'll see a list of time zones typically organized by region and city. Choose the location that best matches where you work or where your business operates. Picking a city in your region is generally best because it automatically accounts for daylight saving time, so your invoices, timers, and reports stay accurate throughout the year. Next, adjust how you want time to display. Look for the time format setting. Here you can choose between a 12-hour format with AM and PM or a 24-hour format. Select the one that feels most natural for you or the one your team and clients prefer. If your organization uses 24-hour time across communications and schedules, matching that here can help keep everything consistent. When you're happy with your selections, make sure to click Save Changes. This applies your new time zone and time format to your account. From now on, timestamps in your invoices, expense records, project time entries, and reports will reflect the settings you just chose. If you collaborate across multiple time zones, remember that setting your own account's time zone helps ensure your activities display correctly on your end, while still aligning with FreshBooks' organization level records. That's all there is to it. We searched for FreshBooks, logged in, opened the profile menu, went into account profile, opened preferences, selected the correct time zone, chose the time format that suits you, and saved the changes. With these adjustments in place, you'll avoid confusion, keep your records consistent, and make your billing and reporting more reliable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again anytime you need to update your settings.